Hello everyone, welcome to GoLearning Official's Do You Know series. In this video, we are going to see the purpose of existence of 3 common things that we come across in our lives. Let us go into the video. We all would have noticed a tiny extra pocket on the side of our jean pants and also the metal rivets in the denim jeans. We will see its purpose of existence. Jeans were the pants of choice for the gold miners. This tiny extra pocket, also called the fifth pocket, was designed to protect their expensive pocket watches by keeping it safely tucked into place. And now coming to metal rivets. Those rivets are there not to make any fashion statements. Jeans were used by the working classes then, and rivets are placed in areas that are most likely to be pulled apart by strain or movement. And thus, the rivets help to hold the fabric together, thereby making them last long. Do you know why there is margin in notebooks? Now, the margins are used for writing the serial number or the teachers used to reward marks. But margins were initially introduced because of mice and rats. Sounds silly, right? Books were the victims of mice and rats who like to eat away the paper. In order to save the piece of written info, people started to leave empty spaces around the edges where the damage was most likely to occur. Please subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. Thank you.